Today I'm doing my A5, my seasons book, and my minis. I'm gonna start with my minis. I have 6 minis in here, and they don't go over, I think, like $24. I have 21s, and I'm gonna start here. And these are just low, really low challenges. And first is Winter Savings from Angela Marie 888. And I'm going to finish this for $2. 1, 2. So 1, 2. And with hers, I'm trying to get all my winter challenges done. 5, 10, 11, 12. So $12 saved. And then next is Winter Vibes from Grammy's Journey. And I'm gonna do scratch paper. I'm gonna do 3 of them for $3 because they're $1 each. 1, 2, 3. Oops. So 1, 2, 3. I won't finish this one today. No. And then next is Eva's, or Budget Your Life from Eva. Eva's Budgeting Your Life, I think. I'm gonna do 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then next is Angela Marie 888's Little Tiny. I'm going to finish it. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And with this Little Tiny, I saved 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to start my St. Patrick's gnome. I'm going to do $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And just going to X them. So 2, 4. And then, oops. Simply Living Saves. Love is in the Air. And they're $1 each. And I'm going to do 3 hearts. 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna do 2 more on Gracie's challenge. So 1, 2, and the last 2. And that's all for the little minis. And then on to my seasons, spring, summer, hello, fall, and winter from It's Seasons of Challenges from Sunshine and Chaos, Budgeting and Cooking. And I finished February. So I'm working on December's. And my dies. I forgot to paper clip. I have 10, 11, 12. So let's see. 2, 2, so that's 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 for $12. So 5, 10, 11, 12 into winter. And then now to my A5 binder. Oh, I just put these in my Ko-fi shop. They're Easter Tinies. And then I also have, I cut mine out already. They're, let's see. There are 2, this is going to be for my spring savings. And I made 2 of them. This one has a couple 5s and 4s. And this one just has 1, 2s, and 3s. If you guys want to save with me, they're in my Ko-fi. And I made it for to be 12 weeks for spring. So I'll be starting those. Probably, I don't know, maybe next week. But I'm not counting it because I think there's 50. There's a lot of ones. And I want to finish. In here I have some winter challenges I want to finish. But I'm going to start with Mystery Savings, Gumball, What's Poppin', Sunshine. And I'm going to try it twice. So 3, 3, and 1 for $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back to the front, I have my dashboard. I have my penguin I want to finish. I think we're done with that for now. Oops. So $1 and $2 for $3. So 1, 2, 3, and I should have 30. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this one's done. And then next is Color and Save 50 from Budget Better Life. And I want to finish this one up today. So $6 and $3 for $9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then let me grab the rest. Should have 50. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And then the big one, my winter challenge, I want to finish up. So I need 3, 6, 9, 11, 13. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in this one, this was a mystery. I didn't add it up. So in this one I saved 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. That took a while. Okay. So next up is Merry Christmas from Omar Crafts and Budgets. What else do I have in here? Let's see. I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna do this bottom one, 5, and this top one. So $7. Oh. 5, 6, 7. And then this one from MS Mom Budgets, my friend Jasmine. And I'm so cute, even the Grinch wants to steal me. These are in her Ko-fi. I thought it was cute. I'm going to do this one. $2. 1, 2. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do this one. Oh, $9. Let's see. 5. So I said 9 and 2. So 11, 10. Or this is the 2, I think. Yeah. So I'll take $1 back and put 10. Okay. And last up is my little panda game. I'm doing it as a challenge. And I'm just going to put 3. So 1, 2, 3. And that's all the money for the challenges. And I'm gonna see what I have. I have completed my doggy, my winter challenge, Budget Better Life, penguin, my penguin, and then this little tiny from Angela Marie 888, and her winter savings. So let's see. 1, 5. Okay. So in total I saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So 180. And I'm gonna put 50 into my, yeah, I'm gonna put 50 into my, this is my 1 month ahead, and it has some sinking funds in it too. And I'm gonna add this money in, and at the, I think on Friday, maybe Friday or Saturday, I'm gonna randomize it. And I had gotten this from Angela Marie 888. This is, if you know, you know. And what I'm gonna be I have 12 envelopes. So I'm gonna be because there's 12 of these, and I'm gonna use these for my to get randomize it to see where I'm gonna put the money. I think on Friday. Did I put them? Yeah, I did, huh? Let me. I think I did. Yeah. So I put 50 in, 50 more. I usually only put 5 per challenge, but I want to make sure that money's in there. And then this money is going to go in my bucket. And then I think that's all I have for today. And then these challenges will go in with the ones I finished for the month. And then I'll see how many I finished. I don't know, do you guys like to see that? How many challenges I complete? I've been doing it for the last 2 months. It's nice to see how many I complete in a month. But I'll see you tomorrow for Tinies. Hope you guys are having a great week.